And a breaking development now coming in within the same story from Kolkata. Junior doctors of all the government hospitals have called for cease work from today to protest on this heinous rape and murder case of a doctor student in RG Kar Hospital of Kolkata. This now might affect the health services in the city today. We earlier also told you that it is significantly has been disrupted in the city of Kolkata with junior doctors of this particular hospital where this heinous crime actually transpired, taking to the streets against the government, asking for a proper probe in this particular matter and a proper justice being served to that lady doctor. Apart from that, we are now learning that all the government hospital students are also planning to take it to streets. They are calling for a cease of work from today onwards to protest against this rape and murder case that happened in RG Kar Medical Hospital of Kolkata. This might now affect the health services in the city today. We have CNN News 18's editor East, Kamalika Sen Gupta, in fact, joining us on the broadcast. Kamalika, what more details do we have about the government hospital students taking to streets and calling a cease of work at this point of time? How exactly is that going to affect the entire health servicing in the city?
Well, it's really going to entirely affect the health system, not only in the city, but in entire West Bengal. Almost all the government colleges, they have gone for cease work, specifically in Kolkata, both for the emergency and for the non-emergency area. Now, the junior doctors and interns and students, their demand is for a judicial inquiry. Their demand is compensation for the victim. Their demand is that they have to, government has to ensure the security. Their demand is to remove all the people who are there in the authorities in RG Kar. Now, one person has been arrested, one person from the medical super has been removed, the ACP of this area has been removed, police is doing investigation, sources in police are saying that one person has been arrested. Till now, they feel that there is one person, but on this point, the opposition and some of the junior doctors are saying that it might be more than one, but police till now is saying that it is one person's heinous act. They are investigating the matter. On the other hand, today the BJP might go to the court demanding CBI inquiry. Now this movement has also reached not only in Bengal but in the other parts of India also. Like nationwide also, some doctors have called strike. Even in Nimhans, we just got a press release from Nimhans, Bangalore, where they have also stood in solidarity. The question is that obviously the role of principal is in question because he could not give security. Why the principal is still there, that is a big question.
Definitely.
Number two, the question is that what really happened that day this man was arrested. How did this man got an audacity to enter into the hospital in the middle of the night? He was a civic volunteer. Now, who is a civic volunteer? Who assists the police? They are not police in total. But the fact he used to show that he had an influence in police because he used to work for Police Welfare Board, he became a dada in the hospital. Is that the reason? Does that give him the audacity to enter into the hospital in the middle of the night? Who is behind this Sanjay Rai? Under whose power he used to do all these things? All these things is in question, and that's why there is an entire uproar everywhere. But on the other hand, the police is saying that they are conducting investigations. They are stationed there and they're conducting their investigation. But the question is definitely on the authorities, and we'll really have to say what steps the authorities take, the government takes against the hospital and the principal.
Indeed, Kamalika. Thank you so much for putting all of that into perspective for our viewers. In fact, something very crucial that you have touched upon is our next breaking news.